Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This will be my second time reviewing a XrsBeauty wig, so let's get into it. I don't know what goes into making these laces so undetectable, but they know what they're doing and they're doing it well and they keep improving each time. So what I did was add some foundation to my hand and add it to the lace so that y'all can see how well that blends into my skin. So for the unboxing, you get this little strap that you can attach to the wig to make it fit more snug. If you don't want to do that, you can just use the little elastic band and the hook and just hook it to the back of your wig. And you get this edge comb and brush that has a spatula on the end. You get a wide tooth comb, which is always good. You're gonna get less breakage. You get 2 wig caps and some hair curlers, and they match my nails. Oh my god. So yeah, I was vibing today. I was just in such a good mood. So here the wig is herself, y'all. She has some really pretty waves, and it's body waves, by the way. It's a 13x4, which means it goes ear to ear, so it's gonna cover, oh my bad, not 13x4, 13x6, my bad. So 13 inches across, and you get 6 inches going back of parting space. But the length is 20 inches, and again, the density is 200%, so she thick. So that's me just attaching the elastic to the back, because I really want this to not go anywhere, because I am not using any more lace glue. I'm allergic to that stuff. But for the girls who can wear lace glue, more power to y'all. So what I'm doing right now is I'm adding some foundation to the inside of the wig. You don't want to add it to the top because it's going to make things look messy. So yeah, I just really want that to blend into my skin. I'm just so excited. Y'all see those baby hairs? That looks so good. So here is a extra little hack that I have for y'all. It's been out. It's been a thing. It just took me a while to get these scissors. So these scissors are called pinking shears. In clothing and textile class, they would call it pinking shears. So yeah, I'm just fitting it on my head, and I'm just gonna be working on my baby hairs. And no, it's not gel down or glued down or anything like that. I have gel that I do like to use on my edges that doesn't irritate me at all. It's really good at holding down wigs as well for a day or two, so I'm gonna be using that as well. I just want to try to see if I can actually do this without using any gel. I mean, the little sideburns, I have to put gel because I really want that extra hold. Yeah, I'm just gonna be taking out a little bit of hair, and I'm gonna be using a straight razor. No safety at all whatsoever with this razor. And I'm just gonna feather through those hairs, because there are some girls who just get the scissors and do a big blunt cut, and that doesn't look natural at all. That no sis, we need to be doing better. I can really appreciate a wig that looks really, really, really natural. I get that it's a wig, but I mean, does it have to look like a wig? I don't think so. So right now I'm just going through with my hot comb to lay the hairs in whatever direction I want them to lay, and I'm just setting things in place. I did a deep side part, and I mostly wear side parts because I love to curl my hair. I love to do the Marilyn Monroe curl. I don't know what to call it. I call it the Marilyn Monroe. If you follow me on my Instagram, for example, or if you've been following me for a while, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's giving burlesque in a way. It's given very vintage, but y'all will see in a minute. So I'm currently going through my edges with my gel right now. And like I said, I really want this lace to lay like only on the sides. I don't have a problem with anywhere else, but I just know that those sideburns, I like to have them pretty low, so I just wanted to have like that extra hold. So I'm just gonna go in with my gel. And for the rest of the baby hairs, I do have a really strong hold hair mousse, but I had the gel in my hand, so I was just like, screw it, let me just do the whole thing with the gel. I always do it anyways, no problems. The only thing with the gel is it's a little thicker than mousse, so eventually the gel will cake up on you. So I do recommend you do your baby hairs with your mousse, lay those baby hairs exactly how you want it, tie that frontal down, give it time to dry, and then when you take it off, definitely, like, do not miss this step, brush through those baby hairs. It's going to make them appear much softer and much more natural. Like I said a while back, the crispy edges, I mean, it depends on the occasion, then yeah, you can have your crispy edges, but if you're looking for something that's like a lot more natural, then definitely brush through them so they can be a little bit more lightweight and fluffy. So I'm going to be using my favorite oil of all time. This is from L'Oreal. This stuff, it smells so good. I've been using this for years. It makes the hair like so silky, so soft, so shiny. All the flyaways that you have, it's just gonna get rid of all of it. It's so good. Like, I don't know any other oil that I love apart from this one. Like, this is literally my holy grail. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do some test curls. I'm gonna do my favorite curls ever and I'm just gonna like see how I'm liking it. I'm just really loving this wig. Like, everything about it I love. It lays beautifully. The baby hairs are nice. It's pre-plucked. It's melted in my skin. I just need to like get the rest of the hair done and boom. So I did like a couple test curls in the front, and then I realized that I wanted to add more layers. If you don't want to, then you don't have to. It's all about your preference. But I was in love with how shiny and bouncy this was, especially with the L'Oreal oil. Like, oh my god. So I got some layers and I curled the hair away from my face. How do I explain this? Like, I I curl it forward and then I bring it backwards so it can have like that little hump at the top, but then the hair is just gonna like curl away from my face. I need to like study this style a little bit more so that I can master it a lot more. I feel like I spend too much time perfecting it, but I'll eventually get it. So yeah. Alright, you guys, so that was it for the install and style. Now for my honest review. Honestly, as y'all can see, it's a really pretty wig. It's really gorgeous. The hairline is beautiful. The lace really melted in my skin. This is their new clear lace, and it just gives you that really clean hairline. I'm in love. The curls are bouncy, the hair is super soft, and I just love it. I cannot stop touching my hair. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. The link to this wig and the website will be down in the description down below, and they also have an active coupon code so y'all can save some coins. So definitely try it out and let me know what you guys think. If you post a picture in it, be sure to tag me on Instagram. Be sure to tag them as well on Instagram. And yeah, so once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.